Good morning! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa continuation ng ating module part 2. At the same time, i-discuss na rin natin yung module 3. So, dito tayo natapos. We created a scanner. We learned how to use logical operators. We also know how to use if-else condition. Now, let's try another one, which is what we call switch case. Let's remove this. Okay, let's remove this one. And then let's add a switch case. Let's declare first a variable for our switch case. So here we are going to declare integer and then day, semicolon. And then let's change this scanner into day. So, anong dapat natin gamitin, guys? Because we are using integer, we need to use next int. Naalala pa ba ninyo yun? So, we're going to use a next int. Okay, so ngayon, let's use the what we call switch case. Okay, here, sa switch case natin, kagaya lamang rin siya ng ating if-else condition na kailangan nating lagyan ng condition inside. Or what we call here, we call it expression. Okay? So, for example, dito, ang ilalagay natin is kung ano yung variable na ginamit natin. For example, or yung i-input natin. So, siya yung mag-hold ng value, si switch, okay, nung expression. So, let's type here day. And so, ngayon na-type na natin yung day, now we can have a case, okay? Kumbaga, para itong senaryo ng buhay na merong iba't ibang case na pwedeng gawin. Okay? So, here we have case 1. For example, is system.out.print line Monday. We have another case. So, after case, it's very important to have a break, okay? Para huminto siya doon sa case na yon. Kasi kung hindi natin siya lalagyan ng break, guys, magtutuloy-tuloy yan hanggang sa dulo ng mga cases ninyo, babasahin niya lahat yan isa-isa because you did not include or you did not put a break. Okay, so you need to put a break. And then, let's type the second one. Case 2. We have Tuesday. Here, we assume na yung sa calendar natin, if we use 1, okay, or if we encoded 1, automatically identify niya kung ano ba yung 1. Is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? If we look on our calendar, and so actually Sunday is 1 and then 2 yung Monday. So let's follow this pattern, guys. Para mas madali, no? So let's change this to Sunday. And then let's change this to Monday. And then next thing to do is to have a break again. Oh, sorry. Next, let's have another case, which is case number 3. Case number 3. Copy-paste na natin to para mabilis. Okay. Tuesday. let's have again a break. Case number 4. Let's copy this again. That's Wednesday. Next, let's have a break. Then again, case number 5. Ayan. So, meaning, kapag 1, okay, pag 1, that means it's Sunday, November 1. If we choose November 1, if we input November 2 for the day, that's choose Monday. For number 3, it's Tuesday, and so on. Okay, so let's have it again. Okay. That's Thursday. And then break. Oh, sorry for that. Case number 6. Let's copy this one. And let's change it to Friday. I love Friday. Then let's have a break again. And lastly, let's have 7, which is Sunday. Actually, guys, we also have what we call default, okay? It's like an else condition, yung tinatawag nating default, na kapag hindi nag-true sa lahat ng ito, ng ating case, mapupunta siya kay default. So, yun yung purpose ni default. Okay? Anything na i-type natin dito, automatically, mapupunta kay default. Yan. So, kumari yan. Okay. So, let's try it, guys. So, paano nangyari dito? So, first, we declare an integer which is day, yung variable niya. And then we have here a scanner. In scanner, we will going to input a day for our reservation. Okay, input the day for your reservation. And then, anything that we input here, this is just a question that asking for a reservation day. But here, anything that we type here, we're going to be a value of our day. And then, yung value na to ng day is pupunta dito sa ating switch statement. Okay? So, ngayon, pag pumunta siya dito, anything that we put here because of our scanner, like what we did last time. So, pupunta siya dito and then ibabato niya sa mga cases na to. Ngayon, kung anong condition yung tugma, dun po siya pupunta. Ngayon, What if we input a day which is 8? So automatically, 8 hanggang 31, pupunta siya dito sa the day is not yet available for reservation. Okay? Kasi ang pwede mo lang lagyan ng reservation is from Sunday up to Saturday. Yun lang yung pwede mong lagyan ng reservation. So, let's run the code. So, your file name should be Bellarmino Module 3. So, medyo nagmamadali tayo ngayon. So, I did not create another file, but you should create another file. So, you can compile all your programs that you created. Okay, so it's asking, input the day for your reservation. So, I want to reserve on Wednesday. So, that's number 4. So, let's type 4. Ayan. So, lumabas yung Wednesday. So, because we use, again, a for loop or what we call infinite loop, automatically, it will ask again a day for reservation. Okay? So, let's have 5. Okay, that's Thursday. So, yan. So, narun na natin ito. Dito natin. Ayan. So, yung date ng reservation. Okay, which is Sunday. Monday. Okay. So, ngayon, guys, gaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Napaka-importante nitong break. Kahit napindot natin yan, gagana pa rin yan. Okay? Pero, ang magiging problema natin, guys, dyan, pag nirun natin yan, kahit i-type natin, kapag tinype natin ng 1, ano nangyari, guys? Parehas ng print si Sunday at si Monday. Okay? So, gagana siya, yes, pero hindi siya magbe-break. Okay? So, yun yung difference niya. As you can see in the output. Parehas na print yung Sunday at Monday. Which is hindi naman. Kasi ang 1, based on the calendar, ang 1 ay Sunday. Hindi naman ang 1 ay both Sunday and Monday. So, that's the difference. Okay? So, kaya kailangan talaga natin na ilagay iyan. Aside from that, okay, pag tayo ay nag-input naman ng, for example, 8, the day is not yet available for reservations dahil gaya nga nasabi ko sa inyo, ang default ay parang kagaya lamang din ng else. Na kung walang tumugma sa lahat ng condition na ito, sa default siya pupunta. Okay? Okay, so now that we learn about switch case, so let's try also what we call nested if. Okay, so you're ready for that topic. Okay, so now let's try the what we call nested if. Okay. So when we say nested if, meaning we used a if condition that has another if condition inside the if. Okay, so let's try this one. For example, if age, let's change this. If age is greater than 20, ano mangyayari? Papasok daw siya dito sa condition na to. Na if money is greater than 320, you can buy a movie ticket. Okay. So we didn't declare the money, that's why it's having an error. So we need to declare the money. And we need to use the scanner. Enter the amount of money. And okay. So money. Okay, so now that we already create this condition, now let's type, oh, wait, we need to change this. Input your age, okay? Input the amount of your money. Let's run it again. Okay, let's put the age 20. Let's put the amount 320. So guys, as you can see, nag-repeat lang yung condition, pero walang output, wala siyang pinuntahan. Maybe this is because we don't have an else condition. No? So let's add another condition. Okay? Let's have else condition. So ano yung magiging else condition niya? Your age is not allowed. And your money is not enough. Okay. So let's run again the code. So let's 20 and then 320. So dito, ang lumabas is wala. Okay, so kasi dapat ang else condition natin ay nasa labas. Yun yung tricky dyan. So dapat nasa labas. Kasi kapag halimbawa, hindi siya pumasok sa condition na to at sa condition na to, papasok siya dito kay else. Okay, kasi nasa labas. Okay, so, pero once na ang nilagay natin is greater than 20 and greater than 320, 321, ayan, you can buy a movie ticket. So, ganun siya. Ganun yung tinatawag natin na nested if. Okay? So, now we know how to create a nested if. Kanina, we created a switch. Now, we created a nested if. Let's have what we call not, okay? It's also an operator. It's also a logical operator like and or. But the difference is we are using a not. Meaning, kapag hindi ganun, saka papasok siya dun sa condition na yun. Okay? Kabaligtaran. So, for example, lagay natin dito ay less than 18. Ayan. Ayan. So, kapag daw not, ang age daw is less than 18, ayan. Kapag daw hindi yung age natin ay hindi less than 18, papasok siya sa condition nito. Pero, kung hindi, pupunta siya sa else. So, kabaligtaran siya, di ba? So, let's run the code. Less than 18. Your age is not allowed or your money is not enough. Okay, so, hindi siya pumasok dun sa ating if condition. So, that is a not operator. Okay, kapag daw less than or less than 18, yung nilagay nating edad, hindi siya papasok sa condition na ito. Pero kapag greater than 18, meaning 19 and above, papasok siya sa condition na ito at makakabili siya ng ticket. Okay. So, that ends our nested if with not operator. Okay, so we already learned if-else condition, nested if, logical operator like and or not. You also learn how to create a switch. Now, let's proceed on how to create a loops. So last time, okay, I teach you how to create an infinite for loop. Okay, as you can see here, we did not initialize, we did not put a condition, and we did not add a function like, for example, increment or decrement here. But now, we're going to include initialization, condition, and the function, which is either increment or decrement, okay? So, ano nga ba yung increment at decrement? So, ito yung sign na yun. Ito yung tinatawag nating increment. Ito din yung tinatawag nating decrement. So, from the sign itself, so, ibig sabihin, adding, no? For the sign itself, it's more on minus, okay, or deducting, okay. So, here, we're going to create a simple condition for loop, okay. Let's remove all of this. Ayan. Okay, and then let's add closing. So now, let's initialize the for loop. Okay, kasi yun yung nung nakaraan, because we use infinite for loop, we did not put initialization, the condition, and the function. Kung ito ba ay increment or decrement yung gagamitin natin. So now, let's proceed on the value. So first, let's initialize it int a equal 1. So that's the initialization, meaning dyan po mag-start yung number. It will start with number 1. Okay, so let's add now the condition, which is a. If a is less than or equal 5, yung a daw ay mag-i-increment, okay? The value, then concat, then a. Okay? So, ganito yung mangyayari dyan ngayon, guys. So, di ba mag-start siya sa a, which is ang value ay 1. So, this is the initialization, meaning dyan mag-i-start, dyan mag-i-initialize, which is sa number 1. Ngayon, sabi, kapag daw ang a is less than equal 5, okay, mag-i-increment siya. Okay? Pero, dahil a less than equal 5 lamang yan, kapag lumabis yan at naging 6, hindi na siya mag-i-increment. Ihinto na siya. Dahil print natin ang value ng a, parati siyang lalabas dito sa screen. So, ang unang mangyayari dyan, mag-initialize siya ng value is 1. Tapos, mag-i-increment siya, sasabihin ay a plus 1. Ibig sabihin, 1 plus 1 is 2. Ibig sabihin na magiging value na ay 2. Ngayon, yun ba ay less than or equal 5? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, mag-iikot ulit siya. So, value niya na, una, 1, tapos 2. Ngayon, pagdating sa 3, hanggang sa 4, hanggang sa 5. So, ganun yung nangyayari doon. So, hanggat hindi niya namimit itong condition, maglulup siya or babalik ng paulit-ulit. So, paulit-ulit na maglulup yan. Okay, hanggang matapos yung condition which is hanggang 5. Okay? So, yun yung tinatawag natin na for loop. Okay? So, meron pa tayo aside from for loop na tinatawag naman natin na while loop. Okay? So, yung while loop, wala naman siyang actually difference. Ang masyadong difference, ang difference lang nila ni for loop, ini-initialize na natin siya agad sa labas. Okay? If A is equal to 1. And then, saka tayo maglalagay ng while yung condition natin. Dito papasok yung condition natin, which is A is less than or equal 5. Okay? Para kagaya ng kanina, para hindi naman ito. And then, dito sa loob dyan niya nilalagay yung ginagawa, which is mag-increment. Okay? So, wala naman siyang halos difference, guys, sa output. Okay? So, ganun pa rin, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Katulad lang yan nung kanina dito. Dito natin. Yan. Kagaya lang rin siya nan. Yun lang rin, di ba? Anong difference nila? Ang difference lang nila, nauna yung initialization dito. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga kasi kay for loop, sabay-sabay niyang ini-initialize, sabay-sabay niyang binabasa yung condition, at sabay-sabay niyang tinitingnan kung ano yung function na ginagawa. Dito, hindi ganon. So, ang nangyayari, ini-initialize na muna, tapos sa kanya titingnan yung condition, sa kanya babasahin yung body. Okay? So, meron pa tayong tinatawag na isa pa, yung tinatawag natin na do while. Okay? So, ano naman ang difference ng while at saka ng do while? Kapag kay do while, guys, do while, yan. So, kay do while naman, nauuna naman, ganoon pa rin, nauuna pa rin ng initialization, pero nauuna niya munang basahin yung nasa loob, no? Yung nasa loob ng do bago niya gawin yung while. So, yun yung difference nila ni while. Halos parehas lang din sila ni while. Ang difference lang talaga ay nauuna niyang basahin yung nasa loob ng body niya bago niya gawin yung condition. Okay? So, kumbaga, ini-increment niya na yung value ng A bago pa niya makita yung condition. Okay, nagets ba yung difference ng do at saka ng while? Okay, pinagdikit ko na talaga, pinagsama ko muna, dugtong ko yung topic na yun para makita ninyo yung difference ng do at saka ng do while. Okay, pareha silang first nag-i-initialize, pero yun nga, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, nauuna yung pagbasa or pag-execute nitong nasa loob ng do bago niya tingnan yung condition. Okay, yun yung difference niya. Unlike kay while, uunahin niya yung condition, saka niya babasahin ito. Pero dito, hindi. Nauna niyang i-print bago niya tingnan yung condition. Okay, so yun yung difference nila. Pag tinitingnan yung mabuti, parang walang difference, diba? Pero actually, sa execution, magkaiba yan. Okay? Usually, ako as a programmer, I use for loop kasi nandun na agad instantly. Nababasa na dun sa loob ng initialization, condition, at saka ng function kung increment or decrement yung gagawin. Unlike kay while and do while, so hiniwa-hiwalay niya pa, diba? So, Nasa sa inyo po kung ano po ang gusto nilang gamitin, pero yun, lahat naman yan ay magagamit ninyo. Okay? Or lahat naman yan ay useful na gamitin ninyo. Okay? So that ends our discussion for today. Okay? So I hope you learn more things today. So, dadalian lang natin ang activity natin dito. Hopefully, makapag-submit agad yung mga kayo po. Okay. So, that ends our discussion. Thank you for watching.